Hey guys, we're back again. Remember this week we have two things that we're working on. We're dividing whole numbers by unit, fractions, and we're also dividing, put my little division, unit fractions by whole numbers. Now, this is going to be a super short video, so we're just going to basically go over some examples of what we do. Now, think in your mind, we have a strategy, and that strategy is 3 words. We keep the first fraction, right? We change the operation from division to multiplication. And we flip the second fraction. Okay? So let's try some of these. Let's say that I started off and I had 3 candy bars. Okay? And I wanted to cut them into fourths. How many fourths would I have? So there's my total. This is what signals division. I have 3 candy bars. I'm going to, and let me write this down. I start with 3. I'm going to cut them into fourths. Now I'm getting multiple pieces. That's why I'm going to switch from division to multiplication. So I'm starting off with 3, and I'm dividing it or cutting it up into fourths. As always, I'm going to take my whole number and put it over 1. Okay? Now, here's where I begin my strategy. It makes it a lot easier for me. I don't have to see a picture because I know how to do this. I keep my 3 whole. I never did anything to the 3 whole. That's what I started with, 3. I'm going to change from division to multiplication. You can see that I did divide them up, but I got multiple pieces. So I'm going to switch to multiplication. And I'm going to flip my 1/4 to 4 over 1. Because what I did is I increased each one of these by 4. I multiplied them by 4. It's still division because my pieces got small. This gave me 12 over 1, or just 12. Okay, let me make that down. We can see it a little bit better. Okay? Now, let's go the other way. This time, I'm going to start with a fraction. So, I'll keep it with a rectangle. So, let's say that I made lasagna last night. Okay? And I had only 1/4 of it left. And I wanted to plan out my lunches this week. So I decided that I wanted to take what was left over of this lasagna. Okay? So I started off with only 1/4 of the lasagna left. And I wanted to take it to lunch on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which were 3 days. I need to know how much of this I could take. So I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. Now, I can't say this is 1/4 anymore because this big piece is 1/4. So I say, how do I describe that fraction? Well, if I do the same thing to the rest of it, I could see that, this piece that I take for Monday is 1, not out of 4 anymore, but 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I have 12 pieces. Okay? So Monday I get to take 1/12 of it. Wednesday I could take 1/12 of it. and Thursday I could take 1/12 of it. So my problem is, okay, if I have 1/4, I'm going to keep it. I never got any more than 1/4. That did not change. I made more pieces, multiple pieces. So I'm going to change from division to multiplication. And then when I did this, I said, okay, I'm only going to get one out of those pieces. I'm going to flip this. I'm only going to get one of those. How much do I get? Well, I get 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 3 is 12. I get 1/12. Okay? I hope this helps you guys working on your assignment today. Make sure this week you have actually 4 assignments to do with this. You have the Nearpod, which you did on Monday. You have a Prodigy, which is going to give you about 9 problems. Remember, you don't have to click on anything in Prodigy. The problems come when you battle. I'm giving you a Quizzes and a Kahoot. Have a great week, guys. Bye.